Welcome back to the Power-Based tutorial series. I am Josue Guillen with the Progressive Technology Project, and this is part 3 of how you send an email mailing through the database. We are up to step 4 of the process. We have already created our mailing, and in step 4 you can do a visual preview and actually look at what your mailing looks like. But this is not enough. I cannot say this enough times how important it is for you to test your mailing. And so you can put in an address or multiple addresses separated by a comma. You can, and I recommend this, set up a group inside the database that has a handful of people who have agreed to give you feedback on your email blast before you blast it out. And you send a test mailing, and the database will actually do that. Send the mailing, and then you can go to your email program and view it. This particular group that we have that we're sending this database to has 309 email addresses that will be getting it. And so wait a little bit of time and then go to your email program and see if you can look at your new test mailing. And here we go. By default, I don't have images blocked. And so if I do not show remote content, then the database will not see me as having opened this email, even though I am clearly opening it. So just repeating the caveat about open rates in that mechanism. But you can see that it successfully replaced the entry, the token with my first name, and all the other changes that we made. Let's show remote content and let the system bring in the images. And so we can see the image that we added, and we can see that this looks all right. And so then we can return to our mailing. And now we can click next and go on to step 5, which is to schedule the mailing. We can have it so that it is sent immediately, or we can schedule it for a future date and a future time in case we know when we want to send it and it isn't right now. And then we can submit the mailing, or we can continue this later so that it just saves it where we're at, and you have succeeded in getting a mailing out.